Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##06#. As you can see, by this code you are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636 ###. And as you can see, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the phone information and Wi-Fi info. The phone information is divided into two different sections because we've got two different SIM cards. And here you can check the information just like the IMEI number, car network, data service, data network type. Of course, I do not have this info here because I do not have my SIM inserted. You can run ping test here, of course, and 3 dots icon. And you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. In the Wi-Fi information, you can check the API configuration and the status. So for example, in the status, we can refresh the stats and check the information just like the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test right here. And let me go back because that's all for this code. And let me show you the calendar information, the calendar section. It is *##225 *##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you the diagnostics mode. It is *##426 *##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the signal level should also appear right here. We've got, after tapping on events, we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on the status again, and as you can see, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, the last one actually, to open the battery information. And the code is *##6485 ###. And as I said, we are in the charging and battery information, so here we can check the state of our battery, the level, the condition of it, whether something is attached to it, or if it is charging or not. So you can check basically the problems with your battery. Of course, if you want to, I highly recommend to simply visit our website in order to check those codes because they are listed. So you will be able to simply copy them and paste into the dialer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.